Um, so good day to you, sir. Today I will present ang student dashboard CRUD system na ako, which ang CRUD nag-stand for. So na siya create, read, update, and delete. So kanya system is designed to manage student records efficiently with PHP and MySQL. So ang kay is ang manual record keeping with database driven that is faster and accurate and easier to use. so a brief system overview of this. So kanina system kay mag-allow ang user to add new student records, view all students in the dashboard, update and delete student records. So all the student data stored in MySQL database and system communicates with the database using ang PHP. So ang first nato tanawon is ato ang database queries. So mao ni atong database queries. So nandiri atong database structure. So a database is created for storing student information. A table is defined with fields such as ang ID, ang name, course, and year. So kini na database kay nag-ensure siya na stored siya securely. Ang data kay ma-retrieve and modified easily, and more to. So next is ang config.php. Kini na file is responsable ni siya sa pag-connect sa system sa database. So ang important details dire is it defines the database host, username, password, and database name. It uses MySQLi Connect para maka-establish yung connection. If the connection is false, an error message is shown. So this file is important because all other PHP files depend on it to access ang database. So with that, maadto ta sa ato ang main dashboard. So mo ni siya ang main page sa system. So ang uses ang functions ani kay mag-display siya sa tanan student records in a table, and it fetches data. It fetches from the database using SQL to select queries, shows action buttons such as edit and delete. So ang important details ani is data is displayed dynamically. The table updates automatically when the records are added or edited or deleted. So this page represents the read part of the CRUD. Mao ni siya ang read. So let's adto na ta sa itsura ani niya. So mao ni itsura sa ato ang CRUD system. So first, mag-add tag student. So to add a student, kailangan name. Example, John Doe. John Doe. And email address, john@gmail.com. Example sa phone number is 0998-4834-998. And so course and class is BSCE, example 3A, and the enrollment date. So maka-choose ka aning enrollment date. But for today lang nato ikuan. So dara, i-add nato siya. Then there, makita na siya sa ato ang system. So after ana kay mag-update na sad ta. So how do we update? This is how we update. So ipindot rin mo edit. I-edit ni mo. So mo diretso sa update. So example, i-update nato ni si John Doe. Di ba name niya John Doe? Wala na to ang name, ang email address kay example nagbago siya email johnlol@gmail.com and nagbago po siya number 0987654432 then ning saka siya grade so BSCE 4A 4B then ato ang update so dala ni update siya napikita na John Lol ano bago yung phone then yung kuan grade so after ana is mo proceed ta sa for deleting a student so dara i-delete na to siya there nawala so mo na tong delete so ang conclusion na to ani is ang student dashboard CRUD system nag-demonstrate siya of how ang PHP ug MySQL kay mag-use og build a functional database application. These projects help us understand database connections, SQL queries, CRUD operations, and web-based development. Thank you.